How to set up payment methods in Shopify. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get started with setting up payment methods on Shopify. So if you're someone that is looking to integrate any type of payment system on Shopify, you can follow along. Now, the first thing to understand is that before you can set up payment on your online store, you do need to ensure that it is no longer password protected and you have set up delivery. The reason for this is a lot of people try to set up a payment method, but they have not accepted deliveries or they have not set up shipping. What that does is that even though you've set up a payment method, because you don't have any delivery markets or delivery rates, it's not going to come through to your customers and they would not be able to access it. So to get started with that, you're going to go into your Shopify dashboard and click on settings on the left. Once you click on settings on the left, you are going to go into shipping and deliveries on the left. Now, once you go into shipping and delivery, you're going to scroll down and you're going to see your general shipping rates on top. So just click on that and scroll down. And I have set up a standard shipping rate. This is for domestic shipping. You guys can see it also shows me my international markets and I have to set up a rate. So I can click on add a rate and I can name this whatever and I can add any specific shipping rate that I want. And if you want to start shipping to more areas, you can click on go to markets so you can add more regions within your markets that you are serving in. And once you've set this up, you're going to close this out and then go into online store and remove the password protection on your store. So over here, my store is currently password protected. So I'm going to click on remove password. I just like to do this beforehand because this just gives me a better anticipation of what my store is going to look like when it's fully functional. Once you do that, you're going to click on settings on the left. And once you click on your settings on the left, you're going to click on payments. Once you click on payments, you're going to see a few different options. Now, Shopify recommends Shopify Payments because it provides you with the most competitive credit card rates. It has better checkout conversion with Shop Pay. It has payout and cash flow tracking, and it also has easy chargeback management. However, if you scroll down, they have some other supported payment methods, including PayPal, and you can choose how you want to capture payment, whether it's automatic at checkout, automatic when the fulfillment of the order has been done, or manual. Below that, you can even enable manual payment method. So manual payment methods include cash on delivery, bank deposits, and money orders. So to get started, the first thing we're going to do is you're going to click on add payment method under supported payment method. Now from here, you have two options. You can either search by a specific payment method that you want to add or search by a provider. Let's say I want to add Klarna. So if I click on Klarna over here, it can show me all of the different providers that are offering Klarna as a method. Ideally, you want to find a payment provider that has all the payment options that you want to provide. So if I click on see all providers, I can see different payment options. And some of these have Google Pay, Apple Pay, some of them don't. Some of them only have credit cards, so you can pick out whichever one you prefer. Select the one you prefer, and then you're going to click on install and log on to your payment provider. However, if you are someone that wants to use Shopify Payments, just go into Payments, click on Activate Shopify Payments. Once you do that, you do need to complete some basic steps, including your information about your business, where you have to provide information about your authorized representatives, as well as verification of your business information, such as any kind of government issued ID. And it's recommended that the person is either the store owner or someone with a significant role in the business to fill out these sections. And you have two-step authorization, and then you can proceed with setting up Shopify Payments. So you can choose how you are running your store. I am an individual. I haven't registered my business. I would complete my business information and then your tax information as well. Now, if you are someone that is looking to only set up a checkout system or a payment method where they want to just check, view whether or not your checkout is working and how it's going to function, you can scroll down, click on see all providers. Once you click on see all providers, you're going to click on Bogus Gateway. Once you click on Bogus Gateway is a payment system which you can add only for yourself. So this is a testing Gateway, which can help you in simulating a approved transaction, declined transaction, or a gateway failure. You're going to scroll down and you're going to activate this. Once you activate this, you can go back into your store, click on View Online Store, and you can view your product and just purchase any of your products by yourself, like so. Once you click on Buy It Now, you guys can see my checkout page is working, which means my bogus gateway is working. And then I can simulate a approved transaction by putting 1 in my credit card number. I can simulate a gateway failure with 3, and then I think 2 is a declined transaction. And if you want to deactivate this, just go back into Payments and then click on See All Providers, click on Bogus Gateway, and then I'm going to turn this off like this, click on Activate, and deactivate this like so. Now it's time to actually add one of our additional payment methods. So for that, you can scroll down and you can click on manual payment method, and I'm just going to click on cash on delivery. Now you can add some type of additional details which are going to be displayed to the customer when they are choosing a payment method. So pay via cash when the product is delivered to you. And then you can add your payment instructions as well, but this is a pretty standard type of payment method, so I don't think I will need to add any more instructions. I'm just going to click on Activate over here. Once I click on Activate, this has been activated. And now if I view my online store and go into purchasing a product, so I'm going to go into my product catalog, Buy It Now. Once I do that, I can scroll down. And you guys can see in my payment options, it's only showing cash on delivery. Pay via cash when the product is delivered to you, just like so. However, I do want to accept credit card payment. So for that, I'm just going to go into settings, go into payments, and I am going to see all of the other providers, and I'm going to be using an alternative provider, such as, let's say I want to be using Asia Bill, and then click on install. Once you do that, this will open up the Shopify dashboard where you have to install the application. Once you do that, you're going to have to log on to your Asia Bill portal. So you're just going to log in via your Shopify key, and then you can proceed with your setup. This is going to be pretty much the same on any type of payment processor you are using. And just like that, you can set up your own payment methods on Shopify. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you found them helpful, make sure to share them with someone you might think that may need these. Share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins, and share them with any business partners that you might have. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.